to enable Emoji keyboard in Windows 11. So if you want to enable Emoji keyboard in Windows 11, then what you need to do is first you need to right click on your taskbar and then go with the taskbar settings. Once you're under that, now here you will have touch keyboard. You just need to simply go and turn it on. Once you turn the taskbar keyboard, now here on the bottom of your taskbar, you will get the keyboard option. But in my case, I don't have that option. But if you just go with the taskbar settings, then here you will have the touch keyboard. You just need to simply toggle it on. Once you toggle it on, you will get the keyboard option right here. You just need to simply click on the keyboard. Once you click on keyboard, you'll get a keyboard, which this kind of interface, which looks like this. And here on the upper left, you will get an option of emoji. So you just need to simply go with the emoji, click on it, and then you'll be able to have all of the emojis or GIFs or everything on your keyboard. So that's how you can enable your emoji keyboard in your Windows 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.